And the reveal...
Black!
Nako, bakit black to? Bee coffee.
Hey guys! So we are back and this time we have a new coffee machine. This is Bee Coffee and we're so excited for this one.
Since maraming views yung nakuha nung Lazada coffee maker namin, we want to try this kasi capsules and this is the cheapest. So we got this in Shopee for only 3,900 plus. Okay, so ito siya, kasama niya ito, yung machine,
Pods.
pods, yung 4 flavors nila, which is 10 capsules, and milk frother.
And
so, sulit.
warranty card.
Yes, sulit na sulit kasi if you want an espresso or anything else.
So let's start with the pod since I already opened it.
Ano ba't black?
Uh-oh, dapat white to.
I ordered white. Alright, hindi ko alam kasi nakandito sa check is black.
Pero sana
I
hindi.
ordered white.
Okay, so we have 4 flavors here. We have latte,
Columbia,
cappuccino,
and mocha.
so these are 10 per flavor, so this is 40.
40. So sulit, diba? 40. Now,
To find out
if
what color.
tama yung binigay sa amin.
Kasi dapat
Naiinis
white
na ako.
to.
Ngayon pa lang. Ayan. So, ito, merong manual. And the reveal...
Black!
Nako, bakit black to? Bee coffee.
Dapat white to. Galit na si ate.
Bakit naman ganun? Bakit ganun, Bee coffee?
Excited ko naman kami sa white.
We ordered white. We ordered white. Tapos wala kayong number dito or anything. Bakit wala kayong contact number?
I don't know, do we...
I don't know.
Parang we shouldn't use it until they reply.
I mean,
Kasi if we use it, baka daw sa'yo, you used it na you can return it.
I'm okay with black. It's just that we ordered white.
Oo nga.
Anyways, we will show you the inclusions of yung 3,900. But hindi muna namin siya gagamitin since Bee cover. We
Mali
ordered
yung
white.
color.
Ang layo po ng white sa black. I mean, white is nice, but we ordered white. Ay, black is nice, but we ordered white.
Okay. So we will just show what
We'll just show the supposedly gagawa kami ng coffee. But
siguro biglang we will cut and then come back pag white na to, or if we can't return it, then black na. We'll see.
so they never reply on Shopee, ah. Just letting you know.
Cut!
Sabi ni Mami, nakakaloka ka, iniyakan ko talaga. So, kasi ang ganda ng white. Ay, no problem naman talaga. Hey guys, so I just finished crying.
Okay, so we're back. We messaged Bee Coffee on Instagram, Facebook,
Email.
Shopee, email, phone
Phone
call.
call.
They don't reply. So that's it. We're just gonna keep the black one.
Yes, and based sa reviews sa kanila, after sales is so bad. So bad. As in,
So bad.
So bad.
So yeah, just be warned if you're gonna order Bee Coffee and let's say for example they send you the orange one.
Well,
That's it.
that's
Alright,
it.
so we're okay with the black one.
Black one is nice talaga. It's just that I wanted the white one kasi ang classy tignan and it looks like Nespresso. Yung ganun, sobrang nice lang. It's just that
And I think it's just more the fact that they didn't reply. That's the thing.
Yeah, and
how
they
come you
never-
can't contact
and they
them?
never update you. Like when I ordered this, wala. They never updated me. They never answered any of my messages talaga.
That's the
And we
only
saw
thing
you're
that-
hiring. Please hire a after sales team and someone to answer your phones.
Okay na ba tayo? Okay na ba tayo?
Oh well. So this is the unit. It's nice. It's black. It's plain black. For sleek design. At the back, ganito, yung lalagyan ng water.
Lalagyan ng fish.
Ayan.
And then yung
Parang stand or something.
Okay, so the instruction says for first time use.
So to start out, we fill the tank with 80% water and then lock it into place on the machine. Plug it in and the 3 lights will start to blink. This means that the water is heating up. Once the lights become steady, which is super fast, you can then press the size that you want. Now this is the first time that we ran the machine, so we ran it without a pod first. This will make sure that the machine is clear and it's just water coming out.
Alright, so we're gonna try it for real this time. So we're gonna put in the pod.
Right, let's turn it on first. Yeah. So this is the Soko Mocha.
Alright, mocha.
Soko Mocha. And then you put it here.
Yeah,
Okay.
then close it. Diba they said medyo matigas siya to close. Alright, so far so good.
Then press any.
Nag-light na ba? Oh, yeah, press anything so that it will heat. Hello? Ayan, okay. Don't touch it yet, don't touch it yet. Okay, mukhang steady siya. Press the big cup. Ayan. Here we go. There we go. Our first pod, which is mocha. So we press the large one and then we'll taste it. But I know if you want a stronger taste, you'll choose the medium or the small. So far so good. No explosions. Alright, we're done. Here is the first. And then we will give it the taste test. So the capsule falls down into the waste container. Let's see if it went out.
Yay!
Nice. Okay, so I suggest you clean that every time. Right? Don't let all the capsules build up there. But yes, cleanup is super easy.
Yes. And amoy
We're
coffee na
back.
ang aming unit.
So this is the large, just to show this is how much coffee is in the large.
But
Kita
just
ba?
to let you know, you can program kung ano yung gusto nyo sa small, medium, large. Pwede nyo i-program like gano'ng karami yung lalabas na water. So, yung binrew namin ito, yung XOCO, Soko. Ito siya. Just to let you know, hindi rin ako nag-hot coffee, so...
We'll try it first like this, then with milk, then with ice. Here's the first.
Yes,
Okay.
sorry. Yeah.
Okay, for me it's good. Matapang siya.
Oo,
And then the
tapos-
chocolate taste is there, pero it's not sweet. As in flavored
it's
lang
not
na
sweet.
chocolate and coffee. Yun lang talaga.
Oo, pero mas overpowering pa rin yung coffee.
Coffee.
Sarap siya.
Let's try with milk and then with ice.
So happy. So ito, for the next 40 days, we have coffee. We also have ground coffee.
Excuse me, there's two of us. 20 days lang. Ano? Hati sa isang cup?
Ayun, so what's nice is, pwede kayong mag-program. Yun talaga yun. Ganda siya.
Okay, with milk masarap siya.
Hindi ko kasi siya maano.
You will put ice. You will put...
Hindi ko ma-appreciate masyado kasi nga hot. Pero masarap. Wait lang. Good.
Let's ice it and then put
Good.
something sweet. And let's drop in some ice cubes. Let's make this really cold
Yes.
because we love iced
Ano yan? Ano
coffee.
yan? Ang dami.
And some condensed milk so that we can taste the sweetened version. Because like I mentioned, the pods are not sweet at
Oo,
all.
sarap
So that's
siya.
good. I like the fact na hindi sweet yung pod so that you can make your own flavor. Your own
Guys ha,
measurement.
hindi, mamaya na. Oh, ang dami. It's good. Nasobrahan lang naman yung milk. Kaya medyo milky siya. Pero may tapang siya, friend.
May
Right?
kick pa rin kahit
Sobrang tapang niya pa rin kahit
masyadong
may
madaming milk. Okay.
Okay, final verdict.
Verdict is in.
Okay. So, maganda siya. Maganda yung unit. Very easy to use.
Yes, very
Easy to use. As in, follow mo lang yung instructions. Sobrang ganda. Madali siyang, sobrang sleek. It's small. And most of all, it's very affordable. It's affordable compared to other pods. Like yung ganyang kinds, yung may pods or capsules. It's the most affordable in the market. And yun nga, we got it for 3,900 plus. And it came with 40 pods or capsules.
So when it comes to rating the product itself, although we've only tried one pod so far, I would say na 5 stars though for me.
Yes.
The product itself, 5 stars.
5 stars. We're not telling you not to buy ha. Like from our experience kanina na ay na mali nga yung color, but we're just thankful that it wasn't the orange or the red.
Yeah, kasi with our house, it's really black or white. So okay din yung black. Our frustration was just the fact na if you want to contact them, you can't.
You can.
Yun lang
It's hard.
talaga. You can't
Even their
contact them.
even their phone number. Hindi.
Oo, wala.
We will put the link down below.
We'll put the link down below. It's very budget friendly, very easy to use. But
Masarap yung coffee, hindi siya maasim.
so this is worth it.
Worth it. So for those people who are planning to buy coffee maker, yun yung pods, this is the way to go.
Okay, so they've sent over the replacement unit and the checkbox is white. So we're hoping it's really white. White ba siya?
Oo. Yes! Yeah, boy! Ooh! Yeah, boy!
Ooh! So last night, B Coffee messaged us on my account and on Chai's account, and so we worked things out. And today was delivered. So this is the black unit, the wrong one that was sent, right? And then we couldn't contact them the whole day, but they are most responsive on Instagram. Okay, so out of all the ways we tried to contact them, email, Facebook, Instagram, phone call, Instagram is where they replied. So if ever you have a problem with your unit, try to contact them on Instagram. And this morning, here we go. The white unit is finally in. So to end this video, I just want to have a quick comparison. While we still have the black unit, which we need to send back, I want to show you the difference between the black unit and the white unit. The black unit that we showed first, this is the one that was seen in the unboxing. It's all black, right? So all black. The tank is this way, black and clear, and then the silver lever on the top. And this is in comparison to the white unit. Now the front is still black. This is really how it is. And then the body part is white, and then the tank is the same. It has the black cover, and we have the silver lever. Alright, so why is it good that the front is still black? I think no matter what color you order, the front is black. This way, when you make coffee and the coffee splashes, it's not obvious, especially if this was white. The splash of the coffee would be very obvious. So the white part is just the body past the face, right? So the face is black and then the body is white. So here's the comparison. I just wanted to show you guys the black unit and the white unit. Here it is from the top. There you go. So thank you, B Coffee, for making a way, right? And we got our correct order. So that's it. If you want to see more stuff like this, please like and subscribe. I know we've done an outro already earlier, but here's the second outro. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.